Node.js Authentication project. Here you can see all the router posts, and this is app.js, and we will see all the required dependencies. Here you can see added all the required dependencies like .env express, JSON web token, mongoose for database, and node mailer. Now we will see from configuration. In configuration, we have connected DB and email configuration. Like see connect to DB, here imported mongoose and the constant connect DB function async database URL and express authentication and mongoose set strict query and await mongoose connect to database and if error catch error and export the data. Email configuration that we need host and port process env email host and email port. And here also imported .env and imported node mailer. And next we have middleware like authenticating the middleware. Here I imported web token and user module, and here need to check the user authentication let token like request respond and next to like authorization required for headers, and authorization starts with token split and a user ID with JSON web token verify. And like if next and if any error is there, we will show unauthorized user. If it is not a token, then we will show status error 401 like unauthorized user no token. And like we created here you can see the node module. uh, Even in git repository, you can see the code in git repository. Here also I added the dependencies, and you can see all the modules and package.json files. Sorry, here in modules, in models we have user like we need user like name, email, password. So I imported all the user module, and now we need user routes like routes like we need post router post like register, login, and reset password, like reset password. And here you can see all the router post functions. In app.js also, I written here same router post like register, login, user, user routes, like configuration, node module. Next, like user controls, we created a function for user. Here I imported the user module and JSON web token. Here we need the user controllers like user registration, like what are the things we need for a new user like name, email, password, password confirm. And here I used this for a user. If we already exist user, then it will show user is already exist. Else we will check for name, password. Password strictly equal to password. Uh, they will go inside like name, password, and await save the JSON web token. And if the data is added, it will show data is added successfully. And if an error is there, unable to register, it will console.error unable to register. Like any all fields are not filled correctly, it will show all fields are required. And password is not matching, it will show password not matched. All the messages it will show. If he is already a existing user, then we need like only user login, like email and password. And it will check for email and password, await user modules. And if it is strictly equal to email and password match, we get JSON token like login user token. And if he is not matched, it will show email and password is not matched, errors. These are all the errors it can happen, like user is not registered, like all fields are not filled properly, and unable to log in, unable to log in things. Here it will show. And even I used user controllers here also, and change password async function like password confirm, it is not equal and you need to confirm again. For that I used change the password function async request or response, and created a constant like password confirmed and pin, and use logged user. Here is a total user password reset function and all.